Emma's exciting art class adventure. Emma was excited. Today was her first day in an after-school art class. She loved drawing at home, but this was different. At school, she would learn from a real art teacher and meet other kids who loved art too. As Emma packed her colorful backpack with pencils, crayons, and a new sketchbook, she felt both nervous and excited. "Mom, do you think I'll be good at art class?" she asked. Her mom smiled warmly. "Sweetie, you'll be great. Remember, art is about having fun and expressing yourself. There's no right or wrong." Feeling more confident, Emma gave her mom a hug and ran out the door. She couldn't wait to see what she would learn today. Meeting the teacher. When Emma entered the art room, she was amazed. The walls were covered with paintings, sculptures, and colorful posters. There were easels, paint palettes, and brushes of all sizes. Other children were already seated, talking excitedly. "Hello, everyone." A cheerful voice called from the front of the room. It was Ms. Harper, the art teacher. She was wearing a bright yellow apron and had paint smudges on her hands. "Welcome to your first art class. I'm Ms. Harper, and I'm so excited to create beautiful art with all of you." Emma found a seat next to a girl with curly hair named Mia. "Hi, I'm Emma," she whispered. "Hi, I'm Mia. I love painting. What about you?" Mia asked. "I love drawing," Emma said. Feeling a little more comfortable, Ms. Harper began the class by explaining the day's project. They would be creating paintings of their favorite animals using bright, bold colors. Creating masterpieces, Emma thought hard about her favorite animal. She loved dogs, especially her own dog, Buddy. She decided to paint a picture of Buddy playing in the park. She imagined him running after a ball, his fur shining in the sun. Ms. Harper walked around the room, checking on each student's progress. When she reached Emma's desk, she smiled. "That's a wonderful start, Emma. I can see how much you love your dog. Why not use more colors to show his energy?" Emma nodded and picked up more brushes. She added bright greens for the grass, blues for the sky, and oranges for Buddy's fur. As she painted, she felt more confident and creative. Beside her, Mia was painting a cat. "Your dog looks so real," Mia said. "I wish I could draw like that." "Thanks," Emma replied. "Your cat looks really cute too." The room was filled with laughter and chatter as the kids worked on their paintings. Some were painting lions, others tigers, birds, and fish. Everyone's artwork was different, but that's what made it special. The big reveal. After an hour, Ms. Harper announced that it was time for the art gallery. Each student would take turns presenting their painting to the class. Emma felt a little nervous, but when she saw the other kids proudly showing their work, she became more excited to share her own. When it was Emma's turn, she held up her painting of Buddy. "This is my dog, Buddy," she said. "He loves to run and play in the park. I wanted to show how happy he is when he's outside." The class clapped, and Ms. Harper beamed. "That's fantastic, Emma. You've really captured the joy of your dog. I can tell you put a lot of love into your work." Emma felt proud. She had never shared her art with so many people before, and hearing their kind words made her feel like a real artist. Art class friends. As the class cleaned up their brushes and paints, Mia turned to Emma. "Your painting was awesome. Do you want to sit together next week?" Emma grinned. "Definitely. Maybe next time we can paint animals together." The two girls laughed, and before Emma knew it, the bell rang, signaling the end of class. Ms. Harper waved goodbye as the students filed out of the room. "Great job, everyone. I can't wait to see what you create next week." Emma couldn't stop smiling on the way home. She couldn't wait to show her mom her painting of Buddy. sharing the art. When Emma got home, she ran into the kitchen where her mom was cooking dinner. "Mom, look what I made." Emma proudly held up her painting. "Oh, Emma, that's beautiful," her mom exclaimed. "Buddy looks so happy. You've done an amazing job." Emma felt a warm glow inside. She carefully placed her painting on the refrigerator, where her family could see it every day. That evening, as she got ready for bed, Emma couldn't stop thinking about the art class. She was already excited for the next week, where she would try painting something new. Before drifting off to sleep, Emma whispered to herself, "I love art class." Exploring new art techniques. The following week, Emma returned to art class with even more excitement. This time, Ms. Harper introduced them to a new technique, collage art. They would use different materials like paper, fabric, and even leaves to create textured artwork. Emma decided to make a collage of a tree, using brown paper for the trunk, green fabric for the leaves, and tiny bits of blue for the sky. It was messy, but it was fun. She liked the way the different textures felt under her fingers. Expanding creativity. As the weeks went on, Emma continued to learn new techniques in art class: watercolors, clay sculptures, and even finger painting. Each class was a new adventure, and Emma's confidence grew with every project. She made new friends, learned how to express herself through art, and discovered that creativity had no limits. Art class became one of her favorite parts of the week. The art showcase. At the end of the semester, the school held an art showcase where all the students could display their best work. Emma chose her painting of Buddy for the event. Her family came to support her, and when they saw her painting displayed on the wall, they couldn't have been prouder. Emma walked through the showcase, looking at all the amazing artwork created by her classmates. Each piece was unique, just like the kids who made them. She realized that art wasn't just about being good at drawing or painting, it was about expressing who you are and sharing your ideas with the world. As the night came to an end, Ms. Harper gathered the students together. "You've all done such an amazing job this semester. Remember, art is all about having fun and showing your creativity. I'm so proud of each and every one of you." Emma's future in art. That night, Emma went to bed feeling proud of all she had accomplished. She knew that art would always be a part of her life. Whether she was drawing, painting, or just doodling in her notebook. And as she drifted off to sleep, she dreamed of all the wonderful things she would create in the future.